ng bayan, maasahan, anumang panahon.
Magandang oras sa lahat. Narito ang latest outlook natin sa potensyal na bagyo. Patuloy nating minomonitor ang nagbabantang bagyo sa susunod na linggo. Ayon sa pag-asa, ay may nabuong LPA kahapon sa timog silangan ng Mindanao at ngayon ay nakapaloob ito sa
Di may iwasan ang stain sa jersey.
Hello. Hello!
Hello.
And kamusta, Terry? Can you hear and see me well, by the way?
Ano?
Can you hear and see me well?
Oo. Oo, I can.
Ayan.
Uh,
Ganda-ganda ni Terry.
what does ano?
Ang ganda ni Terry.
Oo.
Do you know what does it mean?
Salamat po.
Ayan, do you know what? Okay, you got it.
Yeah,
Terry is
you're so pretty or
yeah,
beautiful maybe.
beautiful. Yeah. Okay, usually that is how we say if somebody is beautiful or okay. We have the ang and then yeah, ganda-ganda ni then the name.
Ang ganda-ganda ni Teacher Abby.
Okay. I'm a mom. Sometimes only. When not haggard. Ayun. Okay. Kamusta ang iyong trabaho? Sunday. Ayan.
Oo,
Trabaho
Sunday.
ka ba ng linggo?
Good. Paghahalaman.
Paghahalaman. Naghalaman ako ngayon.
Naghahalaman.
Naghalaman. Wait.
Paghahalaman.
Naghalaman ako ngayon.
Halaman.
There you go. You can see the image.
Ako niyon. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, also it is in the past form. Okay, naghalaman. Now, the word paghahalaman, it's gardening. So, it's in
Current.
form. Like singing is my hobby, cooking is my hobby. So, it's the gerund. Naghalaman, so past. Naghahalaman ako ngayon. So, present. You double.
Present.
that.
Okay.
Maghahalaman ako. So, future. Okay. I can
Mag.
here.
Okay.
Maghahalaman.
Mag is future tense.
Gardening. And then, naghalaman. Past. So, garden? Is it in garden? Garden.
I
Did gardening.
I was gardening today.
Was
Gardening.
gardening. Yeah.
I was maybe.
Yeah, was or did gardening, and then hahalaman. Okay, so
Current.
present. Is
Present.
gardening. Yeah, so it's like that. And then maghahalaman will garden. Will gardening. Okay. Well, I think it's not will
I,
garden.
I, I will garden tomorrow.
Yeah, the word will garden. Okay. Will garden tomorrow, or I mean in future, somewhere in the future. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Pag.
Yeah.
Pass.
Yeah, for
I know
example.
nag is past tense.
Yeah, there are many verbs in Tagalog that has the nag and then
Okay.
mag. For example, mag-aaral, nag-aral. Yan.
Nag-aral. Okay.
Um, the present will be still nag, Terry.
Oh,
And
okay.
pag is somewhat just like in English, like Terry loves cooking. The verb there is loves, but cooking is not the verb. That is what you like to do. It's
Ah,
and like pagkanta,
ah,
pagluluto, pagtuturo,
okay.
pag-gardening or paghahalaman. Ayan.
Okay, so like uh like do you have a garden? So in that the it would be like a noun.
You could say like,
Paghahalaman.
do you like gardening? The one with ing.
Or like do you no, for instance, the question would be, do you have a garden at your house?
Mhm. So
Uh,
in Tagalog, mayroon ka bang garden or halamanan sa bahay? So the correct
oh,
one will be usually love, like, interested in, something
okay.
about that will say what do you do in your free time or your pastime or your hobby. Yeah.
Oh,
Like gardening, is gardening your hobby? Uh,
okay.
does your family do gardening? Okay.
Uh,
So, and so a hobby or an action, yeah, interest, something like that.
okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but not the way of it's an action really happening
Okay.
in a
Pag is
particular.
still an action.
Okay. If maybe if you are
Or paghahalaman is still a
Gerard,
verb or still an action.
yeah, in English it's called like gerund.
I've, I've never heard this word before.
Yeah, that's why I put it here in the
I was wondering if you spelt it wrong.
ah gerund. Uh,
Ah, I've
okay.
never. See, I'm a native English speaker, and I've never heard this word.
I see. The thing is, let me try to share you.
Google a
Get it?
form that is derived from a verb, but that functions as a noun.
Ayun, yun, that's right. For example,
Ah,
eating shellfish quickly is a bad idea. Another one. For example, watching TV is my favorite pastime. I like writing in English. So,
ah.
so it means it's ing in spelling, but it's not a verb or it's not an yeah.
I see. I understand now when you say
Yeah.
paghahalaman, gardening
Yeah.
is
It's an
uh like uh like like Terry's gardening is good.
yes,
Like that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
the
I know.
action, the verb there is instead of the gardening, right? Ayun.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like paghahalaman uh I know how would I say
Terrace
that?
gardening is good. Mahusay ang paghahalaman
Ang
ni Terry.
paghahalaman.
Yeah, the word
Ah,
mahusay is our predicate here.
I see. Okay.
Ayun.
That's so difficult to understand. This is the first time I've heard this word before.
The Gerard. Ayun.
Ah,
Maybe,
oh my God.
maybe Terry is just sleeping in the elementary when your teacher is talking. It's
Oh my
part
God.
of the
Yeah,
English
maybe.
curriculum. The gerund. It's part of the English. And so just like the past, present, and future. And then we have actually there are more of it, just like infinitive and then the participial thing. Yeah, so they are three. Gerund, infinitive, and then the past participle. Okay, so as you can see there. But I will just focus on the gerund and then past, future, and yeah,
Present.
present. Yeah, because normally that
Okay.
is the thing to understand
Yeah.
the verb in Tagalog. Okay, let me stop sharing.
Okay.
So now we got it. What is the gerund here? So it's not wrong spelling. And that is on purpose. Gardening gerund. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we have that mag, nag, and nag. Okay. So maybe in the future I can give you sample more exercises to practice some words with verb that has mag
Yeah.
in the homework. Okay, and then
Yeah, with the different, I know, prefix, like the beginning of the word to
mm,
conjugate the word into the proper verb, because I think I'm starting to understand, but
mm,
it's still not natural.
that's natural.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Yeah, so just as I mentioned to you that like that halaman, laman, there is like a pattern. Yeah, so
Ha ha.
mm-mm.
BB.
Yan.
Bibili.
Yeah, bibili.
Double.
Ayun. Okay.
Okay.
Nagsha-shopping. We have their shopping. Shopping. So we have nagsha-shopping si mama. Nagsha-shopping si lolo. Si lolo.
Oo.
And so like type of,
Interesting.
okay.
Okay. Or
And
like kakain.
yeah,
A
that's right.
double.
So it's not all the time it start with nag. Just like kakain or kumakain, kakain. Ayan.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Don't worry, we will make it simple and understandable. And yes, like what we usually use mostly, like
Mm-mm.
let's start with the most common action or verb used every day or here every day, especially when traveling. And
Yeah.
okay. And all right. I would like to ask Terry if you would like, since this lesson is still the one that is in the 60-minute hour purchase, would you like to have
Oo.
30 minutes for today or let's extend it to 1 hour?
Maybe 1 hour.
Okay, sige, sige. Okay.
Yeah.
And I will share screen and let's go on with weather lesson. And okay. And so we have the malamig, okay, maalinsangan,
Linsangan.
araw,
Maaraw.
uulan,
Umuulan.
mahangin.
Mahangin.
Yan.
Wind.
Yeah, windy. Okay, about the umuulan, I have a question. Is it correct to say maulan?
Oo.
Ayun.
Either way, right?
Yes, it's correct too. Yeah, umuulan, maulan. Okay, that's
Maulan.
other thing is like maulan ngayon, umuulan ngayon. So,
Okay.
okay,
I even remember the dahil or kasi. I think
umuulan.
kasi is more conversational. Is one more conversational
Mm.
or
Yeah,
Like,
kasi it's more conversational. That is what we use now mostly. Even my
or
parents' generation. Yeah.
okay.
Mm.
But umuulan or maulan is which one is more conversational?
Um, Both. It's the same.
Both.
It's
Oh,
like equal. Like it
both is
rain,
used.
raining
Okay.
in English. So, okay, it's the same. Okay.
Okay.
It's just like it's good to know this. Okay, because they are both used.
Used.
Mhm. And okay. Again, so here is another one. Okay, so let's go on with the next. Yan, so it's vocabulary practice, dialogue, gap, fill. And fill in the missing weather phrases in conversation. Okay. I'm teacher and you are Terry. Okay. Maybe let's try to put or type your answer in the chat.
Okay.
So there are two blanks, and then after we answered, let's read. Basahin natin, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ano po ang blank po.
Mhm.
Uh, um, ma, maulan. Oh, pa, what is the word?
Ano?
Pa,
Pa, pa, pa.
payong?
Yan, payong.
Oh,
Okay.
payong.
Payong. Yeah, payong.
Payong.
Instead of
Okay.
payong.
Payong.
Ayan. That's right.
Pay,
Okay, oops. There you go. Okay.
payong.
Payong.
Ayong.
Payong. Not paayong. Payong.
Oh,
Payong.
how do you? Oh, okay, that way.
The stress only, like instead of instead of payo. I don't know, but we say payong.
Payong. Okay.
Ayan, payong. Ayan, may payong ka ba, Terry? Do you have an umbrella? Ayan. Ayan, oo.
Yeah, they're
Ayan,
my Filipino one for the maaraw.
in the Philippines is very useful. Either
Oo.
sunny or rainy.
Yeah.
Ayan, but not on mahangin, not on windy. Ayan, okay. Ayan, so we have the answers. Very good. Tama yun. Okay. So I will read and then you will be the Terry. Okay? Ano po ang panahon sa labas?
Maulan po, kaya hindi ako lalabas.
Yan. One more time. Kaya hindi ako lalabas.
Okay. Kaya hindi ako lalabas.
Lalabas. Ayan.
Lalabas.
Mabuti pa, magdala ka ng payong.
Payong.
Okay. I will teach you a verb here. The verb here is magdala. Okay. Magdala means bring. Okay. So this one is infinitive and command. Okay, like magluto, mag-gardening, mag
like, huy, dating, magdala ka ng payong.
yeah, magdala ka ng, you are commanding,
Like,
you are
oh,
requesting.
you come here, bring the umbrella.
Yun. Yeah, okay. So, you requesting, you are asking a command to somebody. Okay, for example,
Yeah.
say to Zoe. Zoe, let's say magdala ng newspaper. Do you still read newspaper there? Terry?
Uh,
Hindi
no
na.
more. Wala, wala newspaper.
Wala.
Uh,
Okay.
like the toy, the
Yeah.
bone.
The bone, ayun. The thing will be is like kunin. Kunin
Kunin.
is get that or reach me that. Ayun, yeah, kunin.
Kunin. Okay.
Kunin. Get, okay, or fetch. Okay. So,
Kunin.
mhm.
Okay.
Now I will say the word magdala. Ayan, so normally that is the thing for magdala ka ng payong. That's the expression. Or magdala ka ng pansit, magdala ka ng kanin. Ayan, magdala ka ng sunscreen, bring sunscreen.
Ah,
Ayan, okay. So magdala is infinitive form command. Okay, so that is what you should do, asking. Now, if it is in the, we will use the pattern past, present, and then future. Okay. So that will be past, present, future. So the thing is, it will become the past, nagdala, like
Nagdala.
nagdala ako ng payong kahapon. Kahapon is yesterday. Right? And then present, nagdadala. Ayan, nagdadala sila.
Nagdala.
Ayan, so we have the double da.
Oh, okay. So like you have it with you. You're carrying or
Yeah.
you are bringing it with you.
Yes, correct. Yeah, root word.
Nagdala.
Verb.
Nagdadala.
And,
Nagdadala.
and I will also add the word dala. Okay, it's in the thing with the infinitive. Yeah, root word for bring. If you get the root word, so you will have the double. Which one will you double? Which is normally the first syllable. So in dala,
Oh,
the
EA.
PA. And then the future it will become magdadala. And
Magdadala.
like for example,
Ah.
magdadala si Terry ng, I'm thinking of, yeah, magdadala si Terry ng tent sa beach. So Terry
Ah.
will bring a tent at the beach
Uh-uh.
and so will bring. So brought is bringing, will bring. And so in Tagalog, nagdala, nagdadala, magdadala. And,
I see. So then with I think this helps me to understand because the first one brought
mhm,
past.
mhm,
Dala is just nagdala.
mhm,
Then present is double but
mhm,
nagdadala.
mhm,
Okay. So then
mhm. And then in the
let's see like kita, seeing. So then nagkita, nag
mhm,
kita, you're currently seeing, and then magkikita,
yun,
you will see.
yun, that's right.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, for example,
Okay.
and let's give you scenarios for this verb. The first one is for dating, and then the other one is fetching somebody. Do you fetching somebody at the airport? At the airport, like my my case last Wednesday. Yeah, my husband and I we fetch my sister-in-law at the airport, and it's a surprise. I mean, the news that she will get back to the Philippines. She's a seafarer or seawoman.
Oh,
Ayun.
wow.
Ayun, so her sons, Mama! Gulat na gulat.
So excited.
Yeah, excited. Yeah, gulat na gulat. Very shocked. In Tagalog, very shocked or gulat na gulat.
Gulat na gulat. Okay.
Okay. Now going back to scenario with the dating. Okay, so usually for example, they say, nagkikita yung dalawa na yan. So it means they are seeing each other. So the meaning is like, okay,
Uh,
body is
I
okay,
see.
dating. Ayan. So nagkikita, so they are seeing. So the word are seeing, so present form. And
Oo.
they are seeing each other. Nagkikita
Nagkikita or nagkita siya.
Yan.
Or no,
sila.
sila. Yeah.
Nagkikita sila. Okay. Okay, so I will copy and let's add another one. And then if we say, okay, let's use the past naman. Okay, so nagkita sila kahapon. So it will become, yeah, they saw each other or they met each other. Okay, the word kahapon, do you know again, Terry, what is kahapon?
Kahapon, this afternoon.
Kahapon means yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yan.
Kahapon.
Yan. Kahapon, yesterday. Okay, so that's time verb kahapon. Okay, and then we
Kahapon. Okay.
Yeah. The hapon is
One word.
and the hapon
I was
is,
thinking hapon.
yeah, I understand. Yeah, the hapon is afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon.
Kahapon.
Kahapon is
Right.
yesterday. Okay.
Okay, and then let's have the future. For example, magkikita sila bukas. Now, how about the word bukas, Terry? Do you know what is bukas? Bukas.
I know the word, but I don't remember right now.
I see.
Bukas.
Bukas. Okay, so bukas means, actually, it can have many meaning.
Open.
Yeah.
Doesn't it
things
mean
that.
open?
Yeah.
Like if there's an open hole.
Okay, Terry, I forgot to show you. I will almost finish this one.
What is that?
Look. Where is it from? 1 second. This one. Can you see it?
Oh,
It's blurred.
Palawan.
Ayan.
Coron.
Coron, Palawan. Yeah.
Palawan.
Another sister-in-law of mine. My sister-in-law.
Brought it.
Yeah. Brought it. She and her husband went to Coron, Palawan. Yeah. 2 weeks ago. Ayun.
Oo. Let's see. Nagdala siya that dito.
The word that, nyan. Okay, nyan.
Yan. Yan.
Yan.
Okay.
Let's make it more natural.
Yeah, yan.
Or nyan.
Yan. Okay.
More, let's more. Nagdala siya nyan.
Okay.
Ayun. Spicy and sarap. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Yeah, masarap.
Ooh.
Milk.
Cashews.
Cashew nuts.
Ooh.
Dalawa siya. Naubos ko na yung isa.
Gone.
Kanya, naubos na. It's gone. Naubos na.
Asawa, kain.
Yan, oo. It's another flavor. Cashew nuts na may langka. Do you know langka, Terry?
Langka. Oh, it's
I don't know what is it in English.
langka. Sounds
Maybe
so familiar.
Is it? Wait, without
Langka.
Langka is like jackfruit. I think jackfruit.
Yeah.
Check if it is jackfruit. Yeah, jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
We have here the langka. I mean, many Filipinos can cultivate langka.
Yeah.
Well, how about
They
this?
have it here in the US. Sa US.
There is also, even in
Oh,
our
but it's
area. What?
oh my God, mahal.
Mahal.
Oo, in the stores because it's not grown here. Um, they grow it.
Mhm.
No, hahalaman.
Oh,
No, no. They
wow.
grow it.
So some things here in the Philippines that we think that is for poor only, but in US is for the rich.
It's yeah. Yes, really.
But it's like the lang
Talaga.
when I was a kid, this is my ulam all the time. The word ulam.
Ah, yeah,
But
your
I don't like to
dinner or
eat
your
it because
meal.
it has the gata, the coconut milk. When I was a kid,
Oh, yeah, gata.
I
Oo.
don't like coconut milk dishes. I don't like. It's kind of it's a bit a bit bitter for my taste. Yeah, but when I
Oo.
grow up, I like it now, and I'm craving
Yeah,
some langka.
because uh like I feel the same as well because I never really like sinigang or all the vegetables and
Mm.
okra and molongay and there's other green vegetables and now it's like oh my God, it's so expensive if I try to go make it, and so I'm
Oo.
craving it whenever I go to the
To the
Philippines.
Philippines, yon, yeah. Oh, it's I don't know that langka is
Yeah,
expensive.
it's
Where?
so uh it's very rare
Mhm.
because I think it grows in more humid uh,
Mhm.
environments.
Mhm.
So it's in Mexico,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
they have to import it into the US.
Yun, mahal or expensive.
Yeah.
It can be like gulay or vegetable dish, or it can be fruit. Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
or even manga,
Mhm.
uh, so mahal,
Mhm.
or manga. What else? Oh, papaya.
Oo.
It's so expensive.
Ayun.
Uh,
Actually, sometimes when I do grocery, I say, oh, I like to live in a farm so that all everything here is just
yeah, you just reach up and
yeah.
you get whatever you want to
Yeah.
eat.
And I'm at the cashier and we'll pay. Oh, okay. It's like so. Yeah, even the recession in the Philippines before the pandemic really grows up. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Cebuya. I
Sibuyas.
think Sibuyas was very mahal. I was reading on the news
Mm. Yeah.
during the pandemic, I think, in the Philippines.
Mhm. Yeah, that's
So,
correct.
yeah.
Because they use it as a dynamo drink. The thing is, for example, you have one trunk of onion. The total of it will become the total of one car.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's the reality before. And then after some government, what do you call it? Like the investigation. And so now it's in normal price, but
Ah,
compare before pandemic, it's like times five
expensive.
price.
Wow.
Yeah, that is it's like for example one like this, you can buy it for 50 cents pesos, but now it's
Oo.
10 pesos, so not just five, but depends on the store. Yeah, so
My
mahal,
God.
sobrang mahal.
Oo.
Oh, ang mahal-mahal na nila ngayon.
Yeah.
Ayan, so
Mahal na mahal. No. Ano? Mahal na
ang
na
mahal,
mahal.
okay, the word, ang mahal-mahal. Ang mahal,
Mahal mahal.
ayan, it's like the ang, and
Ang
then,
mahal mahal. Oh,
yeah,
it
like,
means
then like,
more.
they are very, very expensive now. You have
Very,
the
very.
term like that. Normally we use that. Oh, she's very, very, very pretty. Oh, that is very, very expensive. We have that thing, the very, very.
Very, very. Okay.
Okay,
You
so
repeat it.
yeah, to level the thing. So like
Uh-uh.
very, very, very to the thing.
Ah.
Oh, yun langka. Okay, why we talk about langka? I forgot.
Oh, I don't know, but it's expensive here.
Ayun, I forgot why we talk about the word langka. Ayan, so here we go. Ayun, yeah, the word langka because of this, the other flavor is
Oh, yeah,
has
yeah, the other. Yeah.
the langka flavor. And look at that, 200.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's ang mahal-mahal, I think. If here, maybe if my mom can do this at home, the costing for sure will be just 50 pesos or 40 pesos. $1.
Yeah.
But in the store, 200
Ay.
so times 4. Yeah, so depends. Maybe because it's also tourist spot. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
also add why the thing are so expensive. And okay, so I hope, yeah, so you have the word na nagdala, the nagkita, nagdadala, nagkikita, and then the future, magkikita. So the future of the other one is magdadala. So you see the pattern, there's pattern there. Ayun. Okay. Now let's see the next part, Terry. Here you go. Okay. Sige, Terry. Only one blank, as you can see in the screen. Okay, you can put in the chat your answer.
Hmm. I don't know. I only know by the emoji.
It's like, so you can try. I mean, just write what is your answer. Okay, let's see. Actually, there's like can be two possible answer, or let's see what is your answer. Yun. Ma,
Or that one.
mainit. Ayan. I will just correct it. Let's correct.
Did
Uh,
I spelling?
yeah, and then
Malingsangan. Sangan. Maling. Oh, malingsangan.
ayun yung
Oh,
sangan.
maalingsangan.
Yun.
That maalingsangan.
Yan, that's correct. Correct. Okay, yeah. So it can be mainit or maalinsangan. Kaya gusto kong mag-yelo. Okay. It's just like make it's humorous. That's why I like to be ice. I mean, or I like to be chilled.
Ah.
Yeah, so it's so hot. Yeah, like yesterday afternoon around 12 p.m. So lunchtime. 30
Oo.
degree. You know,
Wow.
in our city. And then oh my God.
Oh my God.
What will happen to our country after 10 more years? Maybe it's
I don't know.
desert.
It's let's see the weather
Yeah,
in Denver.
global warming. We are really up
23 degrees.
there.
Oo.
Uh,
Celsius.
okay. It's evening. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's maling
malamig.
no, mahanging. I couldn't think of the word mahanging outside.
Ayun.
Sa labas.
Mahangin. Okay.
Mahanging.
The weather here, I live in San Pablo. In San Pablo City. It's just, I think that's the last town in Laguna area. From the Manila and then Laguna. And then it's right here. So it's like boundary to the Quezon province, if you have heard that. Yeah,
Oo.
32, 9 a.m. 32 degrees Celsius. Later, it will
Oh
become
my God.
34.
Oh my God. No.
Normally, what do? I, it's just me. Yeah, my baby and I are in the bathtub. And you will see some of the Filipinos, they are swimming in their bathtub.
Yeah.
They have like
Now
that
they have
inflated. It is,
the electric fans, the one where you hold it and
oh,
you're
that.
yeah, that that
Yeah,
one.
I bought this because yeah, it's hot sometimes. But yeah, and I bought a bigger one because it's not enough.
Oh my
Especially when
God.
we
Yeah,
go
I
out.
would just be like, oh
When
my
it,
God.
yeah, but also when I see, it was I think 3 weeks ago when I was with my husband and then my husband go to the bank just withdraw something and then I saw three teenagers. They are really dressed nicely.
Uh-uh.
I think they are from school and it's just like they have their bag. I mean, I'm not used to see teenagers like that because when my time we don't have like this. We just have the paper. We just fold the paper.
The
It's like
or the pie pie.
yeah,
Uh,
pamaypay.
pamay pie. That
Pamaypay.
yeah, pamay pie. Yeah,
I,
because even I have mine,
uh-huh.
like I have my pamay pie.
Oh, yan. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niyan. It's so nice.
Even I use it here. Or like
Okay.
this one is my mother's from
Wow.
a long time ago.
Long time ago. Yan.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
But like
Hmm. You should actually, yeah, there are some like souvenirs in some tourist spots like Pamaypay. Some are not
yeah,
very good in quality, so
no,
also
no.
be careful to
Yeah,
uh,
to buy.
to buy. Yeah, because I experienced that. I will show you this one, Terry. This is the only Pamaypay I have in my time. It's like this. Can you see it? Yeah, it's just the piece of paper. We get it and then fold it like that. Then we use it
Yeah, it
we use it as
works.
a fan. But now the teenagers are so wow, and then they have this thing, and then I told
Oh
this
my
girl,
God.
look at this, mga bata, ang mga bata. Ayun, ano, yung mga sosyalin na. Sosyalin means like saucy or or uh, you're sociable or like and they are
What is that? Can you type the word?
this one.
The saucy.
Ah, mga sosyalin, mga sosyalin. And so we usually say it to
So,
describe people like in the upper class. Yun. Yung mga
ah,
sosyalin, yun, because yeah, they
socialin.
have this, they have the money to use or to buy things that they want. And,
Ah, okay. So like heart evangelista, mga socialin,
yeah,
socialin.
that thing
Yeah,
is, yeah. So that one is so like elite. Do you follow
yeah,
her in IG?
yeah, yeah.
And then what I saw the last time is like she let one of her artist friend or celebrity borrow her necklace worth 20 million pesos.
Wow, grabe.
Yeah, grabe.
God.
The snake thing, I think it's Hermes or yeah, Hermes. Did I say it right?
Oh, wow.
And the snake thing, like snake, snake design. And
Like a gold necklace.
actually it's not golden, but it's more of Swarovski, I think, or
Wow.
diamonds.
Diamonds.
With,
Oh.
yeah, this thing.
Ah.
Yeah, sila yung mga tunay na sosyalin. Mga tunay na sosyalin. And they are the real,
Nice.
the real, very upper class. Yeah. The thing is, we are just next to their village called what is that? Villa Escudero. Heart is also Escudero because of her husband.
Yeah, yeah.
And we
I
have here
remember.
the Villa Escudero. So it's to Escudero family.
Okay. I
Yeah,
see.
born rich.
Yeah.
With the
Ah,
gold.
maybe in the next lifetime.
Okay.
Not in this lifetime.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, when I see it's like, but I think the one that Heart and Bangil the one really wanted is to have a child. In Tagalog
Ah,
is magkaanak. It's not, I think, to have a child, magkaanak. But she can't. I think that's the
oh.
thing that she really, really wants.
Mm,
Hindi siya magkaanak. She can't bear
magkaanak.
a child.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah, she's the
Magkaanak.
first one, but I think she always got miscarriage. Yeah, so that's why
Yeah.
for her.
I don't know how old she is. I
Hindi ko
can't
rin alam.
remember. Yeah.
Hindi ko rin alam. I don't know, but probably 40s. She's in 40s.
Okay.
I'm in my
Maybe it's already too late.
Oh, yeah. But there are some
Yeah.
I will show you like they use like the IV thing and then
Oh, yeah, yeah. But it's so mahal
yeah,
for normal people.
yeah. How do you call it? Like I so like the woman that is her job to carry the
Yeah.
baby for 9 months. So full support from the
Yeah.
from the donators.
Oh,
Donators. Okay. So we have yeah, and yeah, just like Haydenko and Doc Bello. Do you know them in the Philippines?
mm-mm.
And do you know them in the Philippines? Oh, is it work? Let me show
No.
this one. Ah,
This.
yeah,
Oh,
this child
uh,
from the
uh, nanay ko, want to get treated by, Vicky Bello.
oh, are they friends or
No, no.
no?
Like my mom really wanted to get, because isn't she,
Mm-hmm.
like have a salon
Yeah, not only salon, but
or like,
branches in the Philippines.
yeah,
Uh,
spa. That's what
yeah,
it is.
facial, skincare,
Yeah,
skin,
skincare. Yeah,
cosmetics, yeah,
yeah,
everything about skin, even lipo, even
yeah,
yeah, and yeah, I like everything about skin.
yeah. Like
And
beauty treatments.
yeah, you're correct. And this
Yeah.
thing is an example of that thing. I
Ah.
cannot remember what is that. I think it starts with P.
I
I cannot remember. Hindi ko maalala.
oh,
Yeah, but
I
that's
don't
the thing.
I don't know.
And so this child is from that thing. Oh, and now
Ah.
I think she is 9 or 10 years.
Wow.
And this is so cute, yeah. When she was a baby.
Yeah. Oh, isa bata.
Yeah, isa lang ang anak nila.
Isang.
Yeah, isa lang ang anak nila. But I think Vicky has another child when she was younger.
Ah.
maybe to another man, to another
Oh.
husband. I don't know. Yeah, but that's the thing. Okay, let me share you again. Okay, 1 second. Here it is. Yeah, I think. Ayan, okay, so this one is about clothing. Okay,
Okay.
can you read it? And you can put it in.
Okay. Ano po ang suot? Suot?
Yeah, suot.
Suot nyo kapag malamig.
Mhm.
Nagsusuot, I will bring, no,
Wear.
I will wear,
Yeah.
I will wear,
I wear or I wear.
I wear,
Mhm.
ano, jacket,
Yan, jacket
at scarf,
ayan, or sometimes bandana. Okay.
bandana. Oh,
In other
okay.
location they say bandana. In places like us, scarf. The F
Scarf.
company.
Okay.
Scarf. Or it's like that. Oh, nasan yung scarf ko? Abigail, nasan yung scarf ko? Ay, hindi ko na.
Scarf.
But it's meaning scarf.
That's so funny.
Ayan. Okay, so the
Scarf.
same thing with the nagsuot, Terry. And so that's why I said, actually when I said present, it can be present continuous. It means happening right now. Or present
Happening.
simple, something that you do every day. Like for example, I am wearing a white t-shirt. I wear t-shirt. So both of them are present form. So here, the nagsusuot po ako ng jacket. So I wear a jacket at scarf. A scarf and a scarf. And the F become P.
Okay. At scarf.
And okay. Let's hear another one. Yeah, so we are going to listen to a weather forecast clip. And so these are the questions. Let me copy it. So first one is, ano po ang panahon ngayon? Ano po ang sabi sa ulan? Or kailangan po ba ng jacket o payong? Okay, I will put it in the chat.
Oo.
I will share you
Salamat.
another tab, Terry. This one. This is, okay, it's working. Can you see it, Terry?
Okay, yeah. Nakikita ko.
Go. I will try it again, okay? I think I shared it wrong. It should be also sharing the tab so that we can hear the audio. Ayan, okay. Nakikita na? So this is today.
Oo.
Hours ago.
Ah!
Ayan. So let's listen. Okay, here it is. It's the GMA. Do you know that?
Yes.
Okay. They say kapuso, kapuso. The other channel
Or
is
TV Patrol.
Ayun.
That's the one I watch.
TV Patrol is their
Oo.
kind of competence.
Competitor.
ABS,
S.
ABS-CBN.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's watch this. Okay, 1 minute and 41 seconds.
Oo.
Mga kapuso, may tsansa pong maging bagyo ang binabantayang low pressure area sa loob ng Philippine Area of Responsibility. Sa ngayon, inaasang magpapaulan na ang nasabing low pressure area sa Davao Region, kasama rin po dyan ang Soc-Sargen. Uulan din ngayon ang pampanig ng Mindanao at Palawan dahil naman po sa Intertropical Convergence Zone o ITCZ dito sa Luzon at Visayas. Magpapatuloy po ang mainit at mangisang panahon, dulot pa rin po yan ng east to east. Posibleng umabot sa danger level na 44 degrees Celsius ang heat index sa Sangli Point, Cavite. 43 naman po sa San Jose, Occidental Mindoro. 42 degrees sa Dagupan, Pangasinan, kasama po dyan Apari, Cagayan. Coron at Cuyo sa Palawan, Masbate City, Rojas Capiz, Iloilo City, Dumangas Iloilo, La Carlota, Negros Occidental, Siquijor at Sagiwan, Eastern Samar. Mananatili namang nasa extreme caution level mga kapuso ang posibleng heat index o andamang init ngayong Lunes dito sa Metro Manila at 40 degrees Celsius naman po sa Pasay habang 39 dito sa Quezon City. Paalala po, stay safe and stay updated. Ako po si Angelo Pertiera. Know the weather before you go. Para mag-safe lagi. Mga kapuso.
And I think that's the end.
Uh,
144! What shall I do in
you can fry a fish outside.
Yeah, so hot. Okay. So the 34 here in my city is okay. But the 44, just
Wow.
I feel like Dubai or
Yeah, dangerous.
Qatar. And okay. Okay, so that is maybe you have heard the word maalinsangan, bagyo.
Panahon. I heard panahon.
Ayan, panahon. Cities very famous in the Philippines. Yeah, Davao, Palawan,
Yeah.
Cebu. And we have the Basco, which is in the Batanes. Yeah,
Yeah. Siquijor.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Or Siquijor. It's Siquijor.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the name. And the town is Siquijor, and then the province is
Island.
Siquijor.
Yeah.
The island. Ayun. Okay. So, based on the weather report, ayan, ano po ang panahon ngayon?
Ang panahon ay mainit.
Ayan.
Mainit.
Ayan, yan. Sobrang mainit or
Sobrang mainit.
mainit na mainit.
Mainit na mainit.
Ayun.
Either is okay to
Yeah,
say.
sobrang mainit or mainit na mainit. Yeah, either.
Mainit. Okay.
Okay, so very hot. Okay. And both of them are also conversational. Yeah, same same equal. Depends on the person which one she or he
Okay.
choose. Ayun. At meron pang isang sabi, we call it LPA or low pressure area. Low pressure area. So it means bagyo. The LPA.
Bagyo.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's mentioned. May nagbabantang bagyo. There is a potential bagyo coming. Ayan, potential bagyo coming to the Philippines.
Babantang.
Yeah, bantang.
Babantang.
Nagbabantang bagyo.
Okay.
One time.
Nagbabantang.
Yan. Okay, so means potential.
Babantang.
Yeah, it can be for the weather. The word nagbabantang means potential. Yeah, potential typhoon. Okay, that is happen and pass through the Philippines. And yeah, so LPA, low pressure area, equals bagyo, and then the expression used in the weather report, nagbabantang bagyo. So a potential typhoon could go or pass again.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Any question, Terry?
No.
Okay.
Hindi.
Wala.
Walang.
Ayun, there's nothing.
Tanong.
Walang tanong. Number 2. Ano po ang sabi sa ulan? You can use this previous one.
They're like
There is
sabi siya
okay.
ay nagbabantang
Hmm.
bagyo.
Sabi niya, say it again, sabi niya,
Oh, ah,
sabi niya,
sabi niya,
may,
sabi na, ah,
yeah, sabi niya, may nagbabantang.
may nababantang
Yan.
bagyo.
Yun, that's correct. Yeah, the word sabi niya, he said, she said.
Ah, okay.
Okay, sabi niya. So,
Sabi niya,
it's
sabi niya.
or he said. Okay, right. Okay, another one. Kailangan po ba ng jacket o payong?
Uh, uh,
Parang wala naman sinabi.
I'm trying to think the English version first. Like I don't think I need a jacket, but maybe an umbrella because it's hot. I don't know. Maybe that's too much.
Okay, sa tingin ko, hindi kailangan. Do you remember the word kailangan, Terry? Need. Kailangan.
Need. Ah, okay.
Sa tingin ko, hindi kailangan ng jacket. Pero, kailangan ng payong.
Kailangan.
Yan dahil
Pero kailangan ng payong.
not need. Okay.
Sa tining?
Again? Tining?
Tining?
Tingin. Okay.
Ti-
Tingin. Tingin. Tingin.
Tining.
Na-
Tining?
Sa tingin. Sa tingin ko. Can you try again? Sa tingin ko. Sa tingin ko. Sa tingin ko.
Sa tining ko. Sa tining ko. Sa tining ko.
Ayun. I will put it here. Sa tingin ko. Sa tingin ko. I think. Which is I think. And then, let's add the audio here. Sa tingin ko. Okay, let's save the audio. Okay, you can play it.
Yeah. Okay. Sa tining ko, hindi kailangan ng jacket, pero kailangan ng payong.
Ayun, yeah. Okay, yeah. Another Angie. We have a lot of Angie, Terry. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so that's correct.
Kailangan.
Yeah, kailangan.
Oo. Kailangan. Okay. Can you drop the audio or the YouTube video
Sure.
in the
So, yeah.
link?
Here.
Thank you. Salamat.
Oh, walang anuman. Walang anuman po. You're welcome po.
Oo.
Okay. Ayan, El.
I will listen again.
Okay, sige. The thing is, there's no, CC. Unlike,
Yeah.
CC is always...
So I can read it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's isn't. Okay.
Maybe I'll look on YouTube for
Yeah, maybe.
panahon.
Let's see. Ayan. And maybe you can set it to slower.
Yeah. Yeah, really.
Yeah, so you can hear the words that you want to know more about. Okay. All right. So I will give you homework again, Terry, if that is okay. Okay. And then can I also ask what topic you would like to discuss more for the next class?
Oh.
Okay, let me check again. I think we can continue with this one by next class.
Okay.
Production. But in case so that I have more, okay, or you would like to tell me again for next.
Yeah, maybe I will Google things to learn and then I will
Okay.
let you know.
Yeah, so aside from the weather, okay, so sure. And then maybe I can also share you some topics maybe you will be interested.
Yeah. I think more verbs because I want to learn how to whether the verbs I learn, I can conjugate them,
Mm-mm.
make them into sentences
Oh,
to be more natural
yeah.
or
I'm
yeah.
thinking of verbs that is more on the house first. Yeah, so that
Yeah.
you can say it in your own household. If you
even
learn
even I tell my husband to say pabili po or walang anuman.
yeah, is he a white American? So
Yeah, Italian.
Italian. So he
Oo.
doesn't know any Tagalog
No.
and another accent. You try him to say the word sa tingin ko, kailan the one with the NG.
He just goes no 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 no.
Ayun.
Like
Babbling
gibberish.
gibberish. The minions. Gibberish language. Ayun. So we have the a lot of NG. Ayun.
Oo.
Okay. Sige, te. Right, so
Okay, I
will
will
send you the homework after I.
oo,
Okay.
I will text you I will look up other lessons I want to learn.
Yeah, sure, sure. Okay. Ayan, thank you.
Okay.
Napakahusay. Very good for today. Paalam
Yeah.
again.
Paalam.